Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to search all the participants in Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to search all the participants in Zoom meeting, you just simply have to go into your meeting. I'm creating a new meeting to show you how to do that, and after going into the meeting, first of all you have to be the host of that meeting. And after going into the meeting, you can see this type of interface. Into here, you just simply have to click into this participants section. After clicking into that participant section, you can see all of the participants of your meeting, and you will also get this button to mute all. Just simply click into that mute all option and then confirm the mute after clicking into this mute all. And then all of the participants into your Zoom meeting will be muted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.